This in my hand is a laser level. Maybe you're thinking, well, wait a second, isn't that just plastic tubing? Well, yeah, it is plastic tubing. It's not really a laser level, but what I will tell you is this. This is considered the poor man's laser level. It's just as accurate, and it can do some things that a laser level just can't do. It will take you places you just won't believe. And the truth is, it's been used for centuries, and we still use it today in construction. Now I'm going to show you how to make one of these things. I'm going to show you how to use it. Coming up next. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill, and if this is your first time here, can I just say welcome to you. We're a home improvement channel where beginners are welcome as well. Now at the top of the video, I talked about the poor man's laser level. Actually, the name of that tool is called a water level. The water level has been used for centuries. In fact, an Italian astronomer by the name of Giovanni Riccioli in 1630 used one. But check this out, it even goes back further than that, to the 1st century, when the whole idea of a water level was theorized. And what's funny is we still use a water level today. I use one all the time. And the reason for that is they're just so practical. You can travel with them anywhere, and it's a real rugged tool because, well, it's just a plastic hose. You don't have to worry about someone stealing your water level like you do with a laser level. So this is how the water level works. It's very, very basic, and we're going to keep it real simple. So I have a plastic tube, and my tube is 25 feet long. But you can even get them longer if you'd like. If you're working on a big project outside, maybe you're doing a wraparound porch or you're doing a fence, you might want to go with 50 feet. Or you may even want to go shorter, like 10 or 15 feet. It really kind of depends on the project. The most important thing is to have a clear plastic tube. And you want to fill the tube with water. Now, here's the thing. I've added food coloring to the water so we can easily see the water level here. Now, in construction, when we're working outside and it's winter time, we often use like windshield wiper fluid because it's not going to freeze on you. So if you're working out and the weather is cold, you want to place something in the tube that's not going to freeze on you. But if it's the summertime, plain water with food coloring is fine. Now to get all the air pockets out of the tubing, you've got to submerge that tubing in a bucket of water and then siphon the water through the tube. But of course you can't do that with windshield wiper fluid. Now, here's how it works. I've got this tube. My tube is 25 feet long. And the thing about water is it will always find level. And it doesn't matter the body of water. It doesn't matter if it's a lake, a bathtub, a swimming pool, even a glass of water. It just doesn't matter. Because once that water, let's just it's tipped a little bit, it will always level out. It's the beauty of water. And that's why water is used in all kinds of levels. But today we're talking about the water level. Now, even though our water level is in plastic tubing that stretches 25 feet, it's still one body of water. It's no different than the water you find in your bathtub or in a lake or in a glass of water, because it's all connected. It's not disconnected. It's one body of water. So it's going to react as such. As you see, I'm holding both ends of our water level, and they're even. They're both even. Okay? But what happens if I lift one? I'm going to hold this one, but then I'm going to lift this one right here. And what happens is it finds level. And that's the beauty of a water level. It's like having a laser level with a beam that stretches 25 feet. So what makes a laser level and a water level alike? Well, it's the fact that both tools can level an enormous area between 2 points. So this is where the two differ, and where I believe a water level is superior to a laser level. That is, the sunlight isn't going to impact a water level in any way, where it will with a laser level. Secondly, a water level can do something really unique. It can work a blind corner. Let me show you what I mean by that. Now I'm on the south side of the home and I've got my water level. I'm going to strike a reference line. With an assistant holding one end of the water level, I can now walk around the corner with the other end. And then make the second reference line. Because it's the same body of water. The 2 points will be perfectly level with one another. Now here's the thing, they sell these water levels online, and I'll place a link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. But I really encourage you to make your own. They're easy to make and you'll save a little money. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.